explain to the viewer why taxi drivers are protesting today?
They're protesting against the 40% cut on the meter, basically. So Uber are trying to fix a price where it's 30 to 40% cheaper off the meter. That's not a workable situation for any taxi driver.
What do you say to consumers that say that's great that they're saving money?
That's all well and good. We're all out there looking for a little bit of a bargain or a saving somewhere. But to push someone to 40% lower when he's driving a car is not good, because that has safety implications. He's going to have to work longer hours, and that's not safe for the general public.
What do you say to Minister Darragh O'Brien?
I would like the Minister to get in touch with the NTA ASAP, get the finger out and make the amendments that's needed within the Taxi Regulation Act, that people can't fix a price that's as low as 40 and 30%.